up, everybody? It's an exciting day. I just left work. This is one of the work shirts that I made. You know, I was doing like some little thing for just like diversity and whatnot for the month of July or June. I forgot what it was. I think it was June, but you know, we did it late because of some restrictions and whatnot because of the COVID cases. But anyway, welcome back. Today's gonna be a very exciting day. I kind of slipped up in the last video, but it is what it is. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you kind of
3 miles, traffic light, camera ahead.
You kind of would already knew what was going on. So today I am getting new wheels installed on the Stinger. So we're on the way right now to the shop. I already had them dropped off by a detailer earlier this morning because I got them ceramic coated, and finally got that done. So yeah, I dropped them off. The tires already got mounted. I mean, I kind of really wanted to, you know, hope everything would be, you know, would have been still disassembled after work, you know, for me after work. That way I could have filmed the whole process of getting the tires installed, the TPMS sensor swapped over and whatnot, and then having them mounted onto the car. But they already took care of the mounting and TPMS sensors and all that. So literally all I'm doing right now is gonna go get the stock wheels taken off, the spacers taken off, and get the new wheels mounted on the car, and that's gonna be all she wrote. So this probably, you know, won't be too long of a video. Hopefully I can keep this one short because I know the last ones have been pretty long, but you know, I try to do at least 10 minutes. You know, if you're a YouTuber, then you'll kind of understand why 10 minutes is like the minimum. So hope you guys enjoy. I'm really excited for this. I hope you guys are excited as well. I mean, this is kind of like one of the missing pieces from all the mods was to get a set of wheels and tires. So let's get this damn thing done, man. Let's go. All right, one last look on the stock wheels. Goodbye to the stock OEM Plus look. Here we go inside Speed Zone. So welcome to Speed Zone Performance. This is a place here that you will always want to spend money because, as you see, there's a lot of choices of modifications for your vehicles. Believe me, they got everything you need. If they don't have it, they'll definitely get it. They can order it. Anything you want. Whole bunch of steering wheels. Whole bunch of different accessories. Got different fuels and oils and all that. Shift knobs, oil caps, everything you need. You need racing fuel, they got it. You need racing suits, they got it. And of course, they got the merch. They got hoodies, they got t-shirts. I actually have this hoodie right here. I got one of these right here. Bunch of little different designs. That's pretty dope right there. I like that one. Too bad I don't own a Nissan, but that's a nice shirt. They got turbochargers. They got throttle bodies. And for all of my Honda and Acura friends, they got Honda Flash Pro. And they got K-Tune parts as well. Short shifters. You name it, they got it. And of course, the wheel collection. But I'm just letting you know right now, the wheels I got is not on this shelf. There's not some stuff. No, I'm not saying anything bad about these wheels at all. These are all beautiful wheels, but mine is something really exclusive, so you're not gonna find it on the shelf. There's one wheel right there. Y'all ready to see the ice? Woo! There they are. And the other three are right here. These are Ferrata CM2. And they are staggered. As you can see, these are more concaved than these right here. I mean, probably either it's on camera, but these are the fronts, and that's one of the rears. 285, 35 in the rear, 255, 35 in the front. And now, transformation begins. While this has been worked on, let's check out this beautiful Civic right here. Now this does belong to the sales manager, my boy Gianni, and it's probably, no lie, probably one of the cleanest Civics I've seen in a long time. The original color for this car is silver. I don't know what the silver is called, honestly, but this is like a liquid wrap that he got done. Got a nice set of SSR wheels all around. Carbon fiber on the mirrors, carbon fiber on the hood. Overall, just a really, really clean, beautiful setup. And this is, I think it only has about 50,000 miles, and it's a 2015. Anyway, the car is in the air, so let's get to it. Y'all ready to see the finished product?